it's your girl Real Betty B. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, you are most definitely welcome. Please do well to subscribe. In this video, I'll be showing you the easiest method to make mouth-watering vegetable soup. So guys, let's jump right in. Preheat some oil. Fry onions, mashed tomatoes, pepper blend, and add meat. Leave to fry until the water dries completely. Add mint, celery, salt, seasoning cube, cloves, and crayfish. Lastly, add spinach and beet leaves. Leave to fry for 30 seconds and enjoy afterwards. There you go, correct vegetable soup is ready. Why not try this? This soup sweet well. Thank you for spending your precious time with me. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please give it a thumbs up, comment, share, subscribe, and remember to turn on your notification bell so you get notified whenever I upload new videos. Until next time, see you.